Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Umkhokha Manzimande betrays Mabusi on sister wife. The councilmen have decided that the church leaders Pamandla has to take a second wife since his wife Mabusi just gave birth. And according to them, she will be able to take care of both her baby and husband at the same time. Ndlovu is on a mission to marry off her daughter to Spamandla so that she can bring wealth to his home. The whole thing to Ndlovu is using his daughter's bahle to get what he wants. On tonight's episode, the 13th of March 2024, the councilman informed Pamandla that it is time for him to take a second wife who will assist Mabusi. Mabusi is told that she needs a sister wife who will help her with her husband's needs. They say she will satisfy Pamandla's needs as a man. Well, it seems like Pamandla won't entertain the idea of him taking a second wife. He loves Mabusi dearly. According to March Teasers, the possible second wife will be introduced, but Pamandla refuses to take a second wife, but the councilman insists Nomkhosi will take matters into her own hands and kick Spahle out of the Mthembu home. Spahle will then expose Nomkhosi for kicking her out of the Mthembu home, and Manzimande will be so pissed and angry at Nomkhosi. It is clear that Manzimande will be a fan of the new Makoti and she won't be considerate of Mabusi's feelings. Does this mean it's over for Mabusi? Although Pamandla does not want Spahle near him, Ndlovu is determined to see his daughter remain Mkhululi's wife. Do you think Ndlovu's mission is going to be successful? Well, stay tuned to get all the answers you need Monday to Friday at 8:30 on channel 161, Source 24 Zelabs. Thank you.